Good morning, everybody. Jim Barrett from RJO Futures. Monday morning, the 26th. Notes and bonds recovering over the weekend. Friday, they were lower, but not dramatically lower, considering how much the S&Ps were up. Bonds spent the day basically pinned near the 150 strike as the DC options went off the board. However, this morning we're 21 higher, shaking off better than reported, or better retail sales that were reported. And one of the reasons, I guess, the bonds were lower Friday. The crowds were out there shopping. The economy, people not afraid to spend money apparently, so that's a good thing. Anyways, but there are cross currents. Europe, more issues with Greece, more issues with Spain, more issues with problems with the Spain in a possible breakup, or one major sector of the country wants to break up. So all kinds of uncertainties, obviously, and that helps notes and bonds as usual. We've already bounced enough through Sunday evening, Monday morning in Asia, and Monday morning in Europe to be approaching first levels of resistance, 151, 151.01 in the 30-year. So we're a point off, actually a point higher. In the notes, the 123 area, first area resistance, the lows down at 133.09 were hung out Wednesday and Thursday, even if, again, as the stocks basically soared, here we are. So we're locked in. In other words, we're still locked in these ranges. We've been in since August and likely to remain so. News this week that may affect things. There's no talks on the fiscal cliff, so that uncertainty actually is friendly also to the notes and bonds. These guys looked last week, like they were willing to talk to each other, and all of a sudden maybe the details are too much, and they're not so interested in going forward. And of course, the clock's ticking on this whole thing. And again, background support for the notes and bonds will be enough to break prices up to the upside. We're not ready to do that yet, but it looks like that's more likely than breaking through in the downside. The leaning post would be last week's lows, 133.09 in notes, and just under 150 in the bonds. Anyways, we reach at 800-500-2461 to discuss any futures market. Please give me a ring. Have a great week. Thank you very much. Remember, there's a risk of loss in futures trading, so it's not for everyone.